Hi, my name is Tania. I'm your inner soul guide and founder here at Museflower Retreat and Spa, and I'm here to help you to connect with your soul. So today we're here for our free guided meditation for our cycle number 2, which is rest. And this cycle number 2 rest video is part of our 12 Cycles of Soulful Magic video series. And you can say this 12 Cycles of Soulful Magic. It's our online inner wellness project that can help you to connect with your inner light. So every Friday we post a video here on YouTube or IGTV, and each video, we start from the beginning of the cycle. We have an introduction of the theme and also top 3 tips of how you can immerse with the theme better. And then we have free guided meditation videos, and we also have the time to move through videos that she guides us through the exercises that are related to the theme as well. All right, so today actually, because the theme is rest, I am actually filming this in my bedroom, and just want to show you, meditation actually can be done anywhere, everywhere. It can just be, in your bedroom. Actually, in fact, I do meditations in my own bedroom all the time. Today, I have my dogs here with me as well. And even if I have somebody sleeping, if my husband's sleeping here on the bed, I can still do meditation. Today, I want to share with you a tip for very busy people. If you feel like you don't have time, you can't really find time to meditate, this is one tip that I have tried myself. I think it works perfect. So if you are into skincare and you like to take care of your skin, or even if you feel like you don't have enough time for that, this is a tip that you can do the skincare and your meditation at the same time. So if you have a beauty self-care routine that you will do maybe a mask for your face once a week or even more than once a week, you can actually use that time while you're putting on the face mask to do the meditation at the same time. Of course, once you prep your skin, you clean your face, you scrub your face. When you're ready for the mask, you can put your mask on. Most face masks usually require about 5 to 10 minutes on your face, and usually depends, I don't know what you do usually that time. A lot of time I just scroll through my phone or watch TV. So instead of doing that, use the time to do meditation, because anyway, you can close your eyes, you can relax, your skin can relax, and your mind can relax at the same time as well. Not all kind of face mask would work with meditation. I think the masks that would work really well are like kind of paper mask, cream mask, or even maybe like mud mask, clay mask, depends on your skin type. If you don't feel too tight on the skin, any mask that you can put for like 5 to 10 minutes would work. Some masks won't really work though, that I have tried personally. So if it's kind of like honey type of mask, honey mask, they just drip like crazy on the face. And also any kind of scrub mask or peeling mask that require you, maybe you sort of have to check the time, especially if you have sensitive skin. Scrub mask, anything that kind of really irritate the skin a little bit, I don't really recommend to do meditation with those masks, or maybe just do some really quick mindful breathing with those masks. End result is that you get beautiful skin and also a relaxed mind at the same time. So you can really rest during the time when you're doing mask, and also to do some self-care, do some skincare, and do some spiritual care for yourself. All right, so today's meditation is a short and simple one, a very gentle one, and this is a technique that I have actually learned from Sandra Ingerman. She is a famous shamanism teacher, and she doesn't really call it meditation, and I think she calls it transfiguration. And transfiguration is really, you'll see when I guide you through, we don't really have to do anything. We're just going to visualize ourselves as a source of light, so either from a star or like a sun, source of light. And like stars and sun, they don't make any effort to send their light or to shine their light. They just be, as you breathe, you just kind of effortlessly radiating that light. And that's just what we're going to do in this meditation. And for me personally, the end result, I always find a very relaxed, peaceful feeling after this meditation. So let's get started. So for today's meditation, you can sit down or you can lie down. I'm going to show you, I'm going to sit down on my bed. And what you want to do is you just want to keep your back straight. So other than that, there's not really any strict requirement of how your body should be. We will do a little bit hand gesture. We could put our hands here, put our hands here. Which is optional, by the way. You just go with your feeling. So if you're sitting up, just make sure your spine is straight, but your body is still relaxed. If you're lying down, even perfect. Just make sure you don't fall asleep in this meditation. That's not the purpose of this meditation. Even standing up if you like, you can also do this meditation standing up as well. So what I'm doing, I'm just sitting down now, and for me, I'm just gonna relax and put my hands first on my thighs. I will guide you through the meditation, and our hands will move a little bit, but that's just it. And so now if you're ready, now I invite you to join me. Taking a deep breath in through your nose and a deep breath out through your mouth. And again, deep breath in through your nose. And a deep breath out through your mouth. And one more time, breathing in through your nose. And a long exhale through your mouth. And now you can return to the natural breathing rhythm. And as you breathe in and breathe out, I'm going to invite you to connect with that place of stillness inside your heart. And if you like, you can bring your hands to the center of your chest, which is where the energy center of your heart is. Just take a deep breath in through your chest, through your heart center, and deep breath out. As you breathe in deeper into our heart center, I'm going to start to imagine a beautiful source of light inside our heart center, and this source of light is a natural one. So maybe you want to imagine a beautiful star, or the sun, or the moon, whichever one that feels right to you for you today. And for me today, I'm going to choose with the image of the star. So when I say the word star, if that's not the image you choose, you just change it in your head. Change the word star. And I'm going to imagine I have this beautiful star, a golden star, inside my heart center. And just like any stars up in the sky, the star just radiates its light effortlessly, gracefully. To start to imagine myself as the star. And as I do that, this is optional. If you want, you can follow me. If you don't feel like it, you don't have to do it. I'm just going to put my palms facing out at my shoulders level. And I'm going to practice emanating light like a star. So again, I'm not sending any light purposely. I'm just emanating light, emanating love, naturally radiating, naturally shining, just like a star would, or a sun, or a moon. So starting from my heart center, I feel that light expanding to every part of my body. And as I'm shining my light naturally, I'm just going to breathe in and breathe out and enjoy this feeling. as I'm shining my light, radiating, I start to feel like I'm connecting with the environment that I'm in. I'm emanating light and emanating love to all those who are around me inside the space, and then slowly outside the space, perhaps to the land where I'm living, to the nature around, to our neighbors, and perhaps if you want, you can feel like you're emanating light and love beyond the land that you're living in. Maybe it's going to extend to all four corners of the earth until you feel like you're connecting with the universe, emanating your light and connecting with the light of the universe, connecting with the love of the universe. Again, this is not we don't use any effort. The only effort is to stay in the feeling of the star, stay in the feeling of the sun or the moon, and just naturally we shine the light, we emanate the light. It is part of our light presence here on earth. And take a deep breath in now. And take a deep breath out. We're going to start to bring our attention and focus back into our body. If you like, you can pause this video and stay longer just to emanate the light and love as long as you want. But for now, we're going to bring our attention and focus back into our body. Perhaps you can bring your hands back into your heart center now. The light is still there. The star inside your heart is still there. We're just going to bring it all back now into our body. Back to our heart center for now. I'm taking a deep breath in and a deep breath out. And again, breathing in through our nose. And breathing out through our mouth. I'm going to start to just bring our awareness back into the space we are in. We feel the contact of our body on the bed or on the chair or sofa, on the floor, wherever you're sitting on. We start to pay attention to the sounds around us in the space. You can pay attention to the feeling of our hands touching our heart. One more deep breath in through your nose and a deep breath out through your mouth. And when you're ready, you can lower your hands and slowly open your eyes. So I hope you have enjoyed the meditation today. As usual, I highly encourage you to do a little bit journaling or reflection after the meditation, just to make some notes of how it was for you, how was the experience, and even you felt like it was not really relaxing or you couldn't really connect with the meditation today, write those feelings down. Maybe any kind of feelings arise or emotions arising or even thoughts arising. It's great to write them down, and instead of judging yourself or criticizing yourself, you just use this chance to be curious and be open and say, okay, well, this is happening today, interesting. Look at it from an observer point of view. If you have stayed till the end of this video and you have done this meditation, I would love to hear your feedback and how you felt about this meditation. Thank you so much for staying tuned, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.